very brave also, Maheen. I mean, I remember.
You and I together in my
Yes, I know.
bedroom.
In 2018,
We started
yeah,
the
the
Me
मैं
Too.
भी मैं भी campaign, yeah, to because पाकिस्तान में मी टू किसी को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था, अंग्रेजी वर्ड था, तो मैं भी का वो हम लोगों ने वो एंड द थिंग इज कि उस दिन जब मैं वो बीबीसी का इंटरव्यू देने वाली थी या ट्वीट, अचानक आपका फ़ोन आ गया. I mean, that was also like for me, it was like telepathy or something going on, right? And then of course to come out and Nadia Jameel, now a lot of people, have you seen how many people now talk about, I mean, they come here on this podcast and talk about their own
Priya,
sexual
I've had
abuse.
young men stop me in Dolmen Mall
Yeah.
and say, "Mera bhi kahani sun le." My heart breaks.
But for somebody like you, because at that point you were 74 years old, and you see the thing is कि जब मैं नादिया बोली या मैं बोली इस चीज़ के बारे में, मुझे उस वक्त भी अम्मी ने डांटा. आपको पता है अम्मी ने मुझे डांटा क्यों बोला? मामू कह रहे हैं ये खानदान की नाक
अगर मेरी
काट
माँ
दी.
जिंदा होती वो तो मुझे she would have डांटोड में.
हाँ, कि भाई लड़कियां मर रही हैं आपके मुल्क में, छोटी छोटी बच्चों का रेप हो रहा है और उनको मारा जा रहा है, हम कोई बोलेगा भी नहीं कि इस मुल्क में होता क्या है. सबको पता है, सबको पता है, सबके घरों में चुप करके बिठाया के रखे होते हैं. बट क्योंकि जब कोई किसी ख़ानदान जब हम लोग बोलते हैं, गरीब लोग बोलते हैं, कोई नहीं सुनता है. ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. बट इट वॉज़ वेरी ब्रेव. यू ऑल्सो स्कैर्ड, आई वॉज स्कैर्ड, यू वर स्कैर्ड. दूसरे दिन मुझे माहिन का फ़ोन आ रहा है, CNN, ये तो सारे मैसेजेस. मैंने कहा माहिन डोंट गो इन फ्रंट ऑफ द टेलीविजन, कुछ लोगों को आप इंटरव्यू दे दें, क्योंकि जब आप इंडिपेंडेंट और गार्डियन और CNN को और BBC को इंटरव्यू देते हैं तो फिर यहाँ के लोग और गवर्नमेंट सुनना शुरू कर देती है, वरना नहीं सुनते, कोई भी नहीं आपकी सुनता. So I think that was very brave. Then Sharmeen ke saath you stood up and against the whole, I guess,
Sarat Misbah.
Sarat Misbah, yeah, the Depilex thing, and then you stood up for the kya kehte hain, no, against the on Lux style awards. I can say it. I mean, that's been part of my life as well. But you stood up when you returned the award.
I did,
You
because
stood up
I'm
of
sorry,
your.
there's a principle to everything, and if you don't act, there's no point just talking. You don't act on what you believe in,
Right.
then don't talk.
Right. Yeah. So all these things that's why I wanted you on this podcast, so you can talk about your own experiences and say all these things, because ये सब लोग जो सुन रहे हैं बैठे हुए. For example, मैं आपको एक और चीज़ बताती हूँ. I remember, I'm not going to get into details. I remember your divorce, but I remember you getting married, and I was so excited. And I remember seeing you and Maheen, and you were like, I don't know, we went to Egypt. You were, I think, maybe 40 years old, maybe a little older. And I said, oh, are you, with somebody? And she said, हाँ. तो फिर मुझे एकदम से ना मेरे अंदर वो एक जज्बा पैदा हुआ कि भाई, even at this age, the possibility of getting married again and
How
having a
old was
life. I don't remember.
I think I was 45.
We went to Egypt. We were going to Egypt. 1992. Yeah, one.
Okay, I was born in 45, so 45 in 90s. Yeah.
Yeah, so around that. And you were beautiful, because I would still look at you and say, oh, I want to look like that when I'm 40. And now I'm sitting here and I'm saying, I want to look like that when I'm that age.
Yeah, no,
I'm going to be 80, Maheen. Look at you. I swear, मैं उनके घर गई हूँ, डम्बल्स ना, वो 1-1 किलो की मैंने कहा ये क्या हो रहा है, मैंने मसल्स बनाने हैं, मुझे स्ट्रॉन्ग होना है. अब that's an inspiration.
muscles, because I come from an age we didn't exercise, so now I have to use these.
My mother, वो समझती है कि वो घर के इधर से उधर आ गई ना, तो उन्होंने एक्सरसाइज कर ली. I mean, बहुत जरूरी है लोगों को बताना.
I'm going to really, I know that I said I wouldn't, but Priya, since I realized the importance of speaking, for women get, औरतों को हौसला हो जाती है.
नहीं भाई, मैं बता रही हूँ, मुझे आप पूरी कहानी करना. So I went and there's a relative of mine, I will not take her name. She said, हाँ, उसकी बेटी की शादी नहीं है और वो खुद शादी कर रही है. I mean, it made me so angry, okay, and so upset, because people think that once you're divorced or once your husband dies and you become a widow, you have no life in front of you.
Once you have a daughter.
And once you have a daughter, वो कहते हैं बड़ी बेटी की शादी नहीं हुई तो छोटी बेटी की शादी क्यों कर रहे हैं. I mean, क्या हो गया हमारे लोगों को, इनके दिमाग किधर हैं?
It's changed.
It has changed.
Because this is the generation before me used to think like this. Then we fought. And I think you guys are fighting. And I think that, and your children are So there is a generational change
Yeah.
and awareness. But having said that, the core of your culture should remain. Like, for example, I do not believe that a young wife, she has a career, she's educated, but she's a woman first. She became a educated or a banker or a accountant afterwards. A woman has to do two. If she's working, she has to do two jobs. She cannot ignore her first job, which is of a wife, a mother. She has to do that job too. So I think when women start fighting now and saying, "Acha, मैं तो काम करती हूँ तो मैं तो ये नहीं करूँगी," that's wrong. I know that they don't like me to hear me say that.
नहीं आप सही कह रहे हैं.
But I have run my life that way. I come home from work, even today, my husband likes certain type of food. So even till today, I come in and drop my backpack. I don't carry handbags. Another story altogether. And I go straight in the kitchen. Nothing to be ashamed of. But these are things
That you do for the people you love.
Yeah.
You do it for your children.
Yeah.
You'll do it for your mother. You can't stop being human.
No.
And being a woman or becoming successful or empowered doesn't mean you lose your femininity either. Right? Because people think, oh, it's too masculine, to this, do that. Get there. I'm just saying.
And this woman, क्या कहते हैं उसको? Woman empowerment, what
Right.
you have? What's that movement?
The Me Too movement.
No,
Then?
not feminist. But this thing
Feminist.
about, and I this is also an argument. I said, look, I still want a man to give me his chair and to open the car door for me and things.
It's cool.
Be a
Because
woman.
you do things for them like that,
Yeah,
right?
be a woman.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, why are you fighting? Any time you fight the natural way of life,
Right.
it's going to go upside down.
Right. Yeah. Okay.
That it is.
Yeah.
And we've
You can still pay the paycheck once in a while. That's all right too, isn't it?
every time.
Yeah. He should pay it or you should
नहीं,
pay.
औरतों की सबसे बेस्ट चीज ये है ना. So when
पैसे
I got
नहीं-
married,
हाँ. अच्छा.
when I got married to Shahid, I said to him, okay, now I have certain rules. That I also work, you also work. But what's mine is mine and what's yours is mine.